Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about an alternative to using the NSlookup command via the command prompt. So this way you could use it using a GUI. So NSlookup is used to query DNS to obtain DNS records between a domain name and IP address information. So for example, let's say we do an NSlookup for Microsoft.com. So that shows us our A records there. So that's pretty much all you get unless you run a switch with it. So let's say you want to view the MX record for Mail Exchange. You could add this to the command. And that'll show you the MX record right there. So rather than having to type all this stuff or know what the switches are, you could use this free tool we have here called DNSDataView. So it's a free download. It'll be a zip file, nothing to install, so just extract it and then run the executable. And then just type in your domain name. And you could actually do multiple names if you want, then pick your record types. You could pick what DNS server you want to use, get the PTR pointer records for every IP address, so on. So click OK. It'll take a second to run. So we have our NS records or MX records or A records, CNAME, if available, start of authority, SRV, text records, like that. And you can see here that the A records match what we have here. And there's also some other options here. So if you want to change your font, show the grid lines to make it easy to read, tooltips, export selected items or all items to an HTML report. Choose the columns. If you don't need all this information, then you could rearrange them the order you like. Find, if you have a lot of information. Copy. DNS options, takes you back here. Clear it. Properties of a record, so let's say you click on this record here, go to properties. Just kind of get some information like that. And then you have some stuff here for saving, refreshing, typical options you'll find up here. So if you want to do another one, just go back to DNS options, and let's add another domain here. Let's do Google. Okay, so you can see it adds it down on the list here below Microsoft. So you get the same type of information, and you can just add as many domains as you like and just have all this information handy right there. So it's a nice tool to have handy, stick it on your desktop, something like that. So if you're using NSlookup a lot, this will really come in handy so you don't have to type everything via the command line. So I'll put a link in the description for where you could download it and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.